Hey guys, today's video is going to be a review and swatch video on the Hi-Fi Shine Ultra Cushion Lip Gloss from Urban Decay. They did send me this PR and this is not a sponsored video. I just really wanted to swatch all of these for you because they really do look interesting. They're so eye-catching. Let's just get into the details of this lip gloss. So the details are this glides on cushiony soft. I know I misspelled soft. Get off of me. They are long lasting. I did wear them all day and they really lasted a long time. It comes in 4 different finishes, which the holographic ones are not holographic. They are duochrome. But anyways, they hydrate and plump immediately and they taste so good. They smell and taste like vanilla mint and it's amazing. And there are 20 shades and I cannot wait for them to extend the shade range because the shades are so bomb. These are $20 each and they come with 0.23 fluid ounces of product, and there are 3 lip glosses that are exclusive to Ulta. The packaging is like my favorite. I've never seen this kind of packaging before. The component is clear so you can easily pick your shade out of a handbag. The iridescent metallized frame makes the gloss look like it's floating inside. And as an added bonus, because the tube is flat, it fits perfectly in your pocket. In the applicator, I wish all lip glosses had this applicator, to be honest. The flexible flocked silicone paddle is the newest technology and allows you to swipe on a generous, even layer with no double dipping, which in this video, I did not double dip at all. It's just one go. Let me know what colors down below are your favorite. But of course, before we get into this video, please subscribe at the button down below and turn that notification on so you don't miss another video. And let's just get into the swatches. Okay, the first set of finishes we're going to go through is the creams, and this first shade is Fuel, and it's a light neutral nude, and you can see how flexible the wand is. It is so easy to apply, so yeah, this is definitely an everyday color. Shade number 2 is Rapture, and it's a rose mauve, and I really am digging this one with this makeup look. By the way, I do have this makeup look up already. It's using the Urban Decay Back Talk palette, so definitely check that out. But yeah, this is the shade Rapture, and it's definitely my cup of tea. This next shade was the inspiration for the Back Talk palette. This was one of their #1 selling Vice lipstick shades. This is the shade Back Talk, and it's a mauve nude pink. Okay, you guys, so this might be one of my favorites. This is the shade Beso, and it's a mauve nude pink, and it is an Ulta exclusive, and definitely gotta be worn over a bomb lipstick, because this looks good on its own, but imagine it over like a lipstick that's a similar shade. This next shade is one of my favorite lip color shades ever. If I had this lip color for the rest of my life, I would be set. This is the shade 1993, and it's a medium brown. So this is the color Savage, and it's electric pink, and this is an Ulta exclusive as well. And I didn't think I was gonna like this because, you know, I don't like pink lips like that, but this is actually really pretty. Guys, I'm so ready to wear this one for spring. This is the color Snitch, and it's a bright coral, and I used to be obsessed with corals, but I like fell off. But I think this shade is gonna definitely bring me back into the coral vibe. I personally am not a fan of red on me, but this was gorgeous and I really love it alone. This is the shade Bang, and it is an Ulta exclusive. It is a bright orange red. This next shade, I didn't expect that I was going to love this much. This is like probably my all-time favorite shade out of this whole thing. This is the shade Jawbreaker. It's a classic purple, and honestly, this looks so good on my skin tone, but I feel like it can go with any skin tone. Like, it is so pretty. This next shade I've been wearing to work an awful lot. This is Midnight Cowgirl. It is a sheer cream and it's an Ulta exclusive. This is a nude cream with a gold shimmer and it is so pretty. I think the sheer creams are my favorite formula. This next sheer cream is called Obsessed and it's just a baby pink. And the last sheer cream, they only have 3, unfortunately. This is Naked, and this might be my go-to everyday color, to be honest. This is a nude pink cream with a pearly pink shift, and it is so pretty. Like, I really like most of these with this makeup look. Now we're getting to the metallics. This is Big Bang, and it's a hot pink sparkle, and definitely one that you wear when you want to be a little bit out there. This next one, I really didn't think I was gonna like because I don't like chocolate browns on me anymore, really. But I really like this one. This one's another favorite of mine. This is a metallic and it is Shadow Hearts. It's a chocolate brown with gold sparkle and it's so pretty. I feel like this would be perfect on deeper skin tones. This next one is for people who just want to be a little bit more out there. This is definitely a glam gloss. This is the metallic shade Goldmine. It's just a bright gold metallic lip gloss. Definitely, like, it's like a really light sheer gold base with a whole bunch of gold glitter in it, and it's so pretty. I fell in love with this one. I didn't even this did not catch my eye when it was in the box, but when I put it on, it definitely caught my eye. This is Dirty Talk. This is the last metallic that we'll be seeing in this video. This is a burgundy with a pink shimmer, and oh my gosh, I love this color. Okay, so the holographics, as I said in the beginning of the video, they are definitely not holographic. They are duochrome. But this holographic shade is called SPL, and it's a candy pink with an iridescent sparkle, and I definitely like this one. Next one is called Candy Flip, and it's a holographic as well, but this one's a lavender with a pink blue sparkle. This next one is like, oh my gosh, like it would be so pretty over a plum lipstick. This is the shade Snapped, and it's a deep plum with a blue shimmer, and it is so pretty. And a last shade, which really, like, I didn't think I was gonna like, but I actually love the shade. This is the shade Fireball. It's a peach with a pink sparkle, and it's definitely one of the wearable holographics. So that is it for lip swatches, and for me, not to be a lip gloss lover, I love these lip glosses. Like, I can see myself wearing every single one of these shades. I approve, like, of these, and they are bomb. The packaging was a little lightweight for me. Like, I feel like Urban Decay went very lightweight with this packaging, but I feel like they put most of the effort into the formula, which is even better. So definitely check these out. There are 3 Ulta exclusives, so definitely go to Ulta for these so you can see the whole range. And be sure to subscribe at the button down below, and I will see you in my next video.